Hi again everyone, this is Mike with South Winds Rentals. Today I want to discuss proper tire maintenance and also changing a tire in case you have a blowout on the highway. What leads to that is a lack of air pressure. It can either happen spontaneously if you hit a metal object or something in the road, or it could be maybe a nail in the tread. Don't head down the road with a nail in the tire because most likely that is a slow leak that's just going to get worse as the day goes on. So very important to check the air pressure every morning before you start off. Also on your spare tire, if you have it on the back bumper or maybe it's located in the front of the trailer, make sure that tire pressure is good before you start out on a trip. Check for flat spots. Flat spots occur by having your brake controller set too high. These are four-wheel electric brakes on this particular camper, controlled by the electronic brake controller in your truck. The electronic brake controller tells the brakes when to activate and how much to activate so that you don't skid the tires. It applies proper braking to all four wheels on your trailer. So be sure that you monitor these brake control settings, try them out on a gravel parking lot first to make sure you don't have it set too high. To change these tires, there's different methods. You can call Roadside Assistance. A lot of people will do that. You have a good tire on the vehicle. Most of the time they will not have a tire on the wheel. They'll depend on you having your own, but they will come and jack up the camper safely. You always want to make sure that the camper, if it's a travel trailer, that it is securely hooked to your pull vehicle, your pickup truck or whatever you're using to pull it. And also that you have your parking brake set on your pickup truck whenever you're jacking up a trailer. Some manufacturers will make a little ramp that you can pull one of the axles on and then it'll bring it high enough to actually take the lug nuts off. If you don't have access to one of those ramps that you pull onto with one of the axles, you can just simply use a portable little jack that you can buy at the hardware store to go up underneath the frame. Be careful where you're jacking up by the frame because a lot of times on the frame of a travel trailer or an RV, they will have propane lines running either right against the frame or very close to it. So be very careful what you're jacking up against when you're having to change a tire. When you pull off to the side of the road, make sure you're very clear of any traffic. If you have hazard cones, you can put out behind the vehicle and also put on your emergency flashers. It shows everyone that you are working on a vehicle. Get all the occupants out and have them stand up on the bank. Be sure to get everyone away from that tire scene. So a lot of things to consider. Tires are awesome if you have correct pressure and you have a good tread depth, but it's all up to you to make sure that these things are set before you leave out on any trip. Safe travels and happy camping.